Roller coasters are some of the most thrilling rides in theme parks. But did you know that they have an incredible scientific behind them? The ride works on a simple mechanic. Imagine a car going down a mountain at high speed. It pushes air ahead of it, causing it to rise. This creates a force called Bernoulli's effect. The higher the car goes, the stronger the air pressure gets. This pressure differential can be used to generate electricity. By using the car's speed and the Bernoulli effect, a small generator can be powered to run small electronic devices such as lights and audio systems. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Roller coasters also use a lot of other fascinating science concepts. They use dynamic balancing to make the ride smooth. They use materials such as rubber, metal, and plastics to build the cars, tracks, and other components. They use complex engineering designs to overcome obstacles such as hills and water elements. And they use complex computer models to analyze the performance of the ride, ensuring that it's both safe and thrilling for riders. So next time you're at a roller coaster, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science that went into creating one of the most exhilarating experiences on Earth.